Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear history on Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Pinterest account. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, Search, Create, Inbox and Saved. Well, you have to go to Search and tap on that search bar, then manually delete the history because Pinterest does not have built-in feature to delete the search history or any other kind of history. Well, there's an option where you can go to Saved, then go to Privacy and Data, scroll down and Clear App Cache. Well, that's for removing temporary data that app has stored on your device. And guys, that's it. That's how you clear history in Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.